Hi everyone, welcome to Offbeat Mechanics. Today I'm going to be doing a walk around and review of my new off-road machine, a fresh 2023 CFMoto Uforce1000 XL. I want to start off by clarifying that this video is an honest review. I am not paid or sponsored by CFMoto, and I do not sell these machines. This is purely a consumer review. One of the first things you'll notice about this machine is it comes well equipped from the factory. It has a full color display, electric power steering, a roof, and LED lighting front and rear. It also comes with a 4,500 pound winch with synthetic rope. It comes sitting on nice aluminum wheels in 27 by 8 by 14 front and 27 by 11 by 14 rear CST stag tires. The box on this machine is fairly large, at 54 inches wide, 35 inches deep, with 12-inch tall sides. It has a payload capacity of 771 pounds, and the tailgate has a built-in ruler and cup holders. It also has many spots for tie-downs, and has a dump feature, which gives access to the engine and the air filters. One of the biggest surprises of this machine was the amount of storage it has. The whole front seat is storage underneath, which can fit 3 helmets. It also has some storage under the rear seat, although some is taken up by the ECU and the fuel tank, but it still has a large dry box, which can be removed and is perfect for storing your recovery gear. In the front we have a flip-down armrest with a storage space and 2 cup holders, along with 3 more cup holders in the dash. There was also a lot of storage space in the bottom of the dash, and has a decent sized glove box. In the rear we have 2 cup holders in between the grab rails, and the same flip-down cup holders as the front, bringing it to a total of 9. On the dash there's a knob for the electric transfer case, with rear-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, and 4-wheel drive with a locked rear axle. Another nice feature of this Uforce is that it comes with the horn and turn signals, which is great for places where you can drive them on the roads. Now, time for some trail clips. Even though this machine has low ground clearance, with the differential locked, I was able to go anywhere I wanted. There was no problem climbing over these ruts. It doesn't look like it from the video, but this was a fairly steep uphill section. One thing that surprised me was how smooth the suspension was from the factory. It was a nice comfortable ride, even over some of the larger rocks that we were driving over, and the electric power steering made maneuvering through the technical bits very easy. The CST tires had no problem gripping, even over wet rocks and slippery logs, although I wish the wheels were more outboard. I plan to fix this with a set of wheel spacers. The power plant in this machine is a 79 horsepower Rotax inspired V-twin engine with Bosch EFI and a CB Tech belt drive. A few of the negative things I noticed about this machine so far was the rear axle makes a whining sound, and that the brakes leave a lot to be desired, although they might not have been clean embedded in from the factory, which is an issue I've heard some people having. All in all, this seems like a machine built on par with the quality of the big name brands, with a better warranty, and most importantly, a price point that puts this machine in reach of the average person. If you were in the market, I would definitely put this machine on your radar. If you haven't subscribed and want to see more of this machine, please consider subscribing, as I plan to keep adding more videos of this machine as time goes on, as well as doing some modifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the trails.